Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So it looks like someone is making a candle holder here. So they have this sand and then the shells. This is such a cool little DIY project. And if you wanted like a beach themed like wedding decor, that would make for a nice little centerpiece. So this next one involves some burlap. Looks like they might be making some type of basket. Oh, plant holder. Oh, that's cute. Nice and simple. I like the cacti. Alright, so here we have someone doing a mirror design. So they're using cardboard for this. Nice, simple. Oh, spoons. Lots of spoons. So they're going for that like layered spoon look. I've seen this before. Oh, that came out great. Very cool. And then we have like these hanging hearts. I guess for this to make like a nice little like Valentine's Day decor idea. Or if you just like hearts, this would be a fun project too. All right, so we have a glass jar here, some popsicle sticks. Now, so far, this looks like a very easy project to replicate. Oh, it looks like they might be making a lantern. I always think that... That's what it looks like to me, though. It looks like she's making a lantern. Oh, she's making a jar. Okay. I stand corrected. Like a decorative jar, obviously. Biscuits, aka cookies. So she's making a cookie jar. Cute. Or it could be like a doggy biscuit treats. But they do call cookies biscuits in other countries. Oh, the bamboo bathroom mat. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do with this. Oh, they're making a plant potter design. Okay. That's cute. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh, very nice table tray. Oh, we're seeing these DIYs fast. Wow. And we have a stool. Yes, they're gonna spray paint it. Oh, they're gonna put the wooden part on there. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm very impressed. Very cool. This person's very creative. So here we have another mirror design here. Whoa, a vase. Wow. Okay, I need like more details on these projects because that was really cool. This person is very creative. I love their ideas. Now, do not tell me she's making a chandelier with this. Okay, she's making like a hanging shelf, I think. Oh, it is kind of like a chandelier. It's for her lamp. Wow, very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me. It was way more than 6. And if you guys did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.